Hello everyone. So again with a new video. So I am here in my land to visit. Well, these are these are our land, and as you can see the view. So uh, when we purchase a tree called coconut tree. So the day when we purchase this coconut tree, so what happened, the day of purchasing that, the, that they that means the seller of that coconut tree, they told us that this tree will grow within 4 years and it can give you fruit. Means um, means coconut. So it means that coconut will come within 4 years. But uh, but still coconut has not come, and it is growing. Means it is manipulating, I think. You have to manipulate your customer. You have to speak in a way that customer wants to purchase your product. Maybe that product is about tree, maybe that product is about any kind of things. And this is my brother, and his name is Rohit Mandal. And uh, and uh, nowadays he is in class 9, and his parents are also saying, like our friend says, that he's not studying and he's visiting but not doing focus on study. Even I think my parents also think nowadays that I am not studying, I am not very focused about my work. So maybe they're true, but but what should I say here? So well, you can see, guys. So um this is the land of our of my sisters, means my dad's elder brother's land. And this is our land. In this land we plant dhan, and here is part trees, as you can see. So this is all about the area of village. We are villagers, but just because we are villagers, it doesn't mean that what doesn't mean nothing. So without thinking, when you try to make something, then definitely you have to think while facing camera. So many child, they are playing there, and this moment I came from my house to visit here. And as we are making, as you can see, so maybe Sujan, you are watching me. Sujan is my best. Sujan is my friend, well friend. So maybe Sujan is watching me. Hey Sujan, how are you? So maybe you are not good, facing maybe you are depressed, facing lots of problem about college. So Rohit, you say that, how are you? So Rohit says that আমি সেন্ডো গেঞ্জি পরে আছি, আমার ছবি করো না. So maybe he feels same. লজ্জা করছে রোহিত. তো রোহিত লজ্জা করছে, বলছে ওইদিকে নিয়ে যাও, ওইদিকে নিয়ে যাও, এদিকে নিয়ে এসো না আমার কাছে. তো এই যে রোহিত হেঁটে চলেছে. So everybody appreciating his height, that wow, what the height of Rohit. So look what is height. So in these trees, now you can see in these trees, once we get off and take fruits, means mangoes. But nowadays there are mangoes, but not this moment, but it's about since before 2 weeks there were mango, there are mangoes, but nowadays there's no mango in these trees, because maybe the season is going. So nowadays we don't have little bit of interest to get a in mango at at mango trees and take mango from trees. But in those days we want to take a mango from trees, you know. So what happened with time, that when time is going, then automatically your interests are also going. So, and we are really glad in those moments, by remembering those moments that we had faced. So রোহিত 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 একটা বই পড়ছিল। রোহিত মনে আছে বইটার নাম কি?
যে বোঝে সে খোঁজে।
তো রোহিত একটা বই পড়ছিল যেটার নাম ছিল যে বোঝে সে খোঁজে। সো রোহিত হ্যাজ টু সে সামথিং অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট বুক। রোহিত প্লিজ কাম, প্লিজ কাম। আরে আয় না, লজ্জা করিস না, আয়।
ভিডিও ছাড়বা না?
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই ছাড়বো, আয়।
না না।
So I'm not cutting this video. There's no filter in it. There's no edit in it. So this is the real video of mine. I'm not here to cut anything. I'm not here to edit anything. I will definitely share it in YouTube. So Rohit has to say something, that what you learn or what you read through that book. So Rohit বলবে যে রোহিত কি পড়লো এই বইটা দেখে, কি বুঝতে পারলো, এবং যে কোনো কিছু রোহিত বলবে, কিন্তু রোহিত বলবে। কাম রোহিত, আর লজ্জা করছিস না, আরে মারবে না এখান থেকে, বল।
বলবো নাকি?
ওই যে বইটা সম্বন্ধে তুই কি পড়ে কি বুঝতে পারলি, কি পড়লি?
গল্প ছিল নিজের কাজ।
এদিকে এদিকে দেখ, এদিকে ক্যামেরার দিকে বল, দেখে বল, সবাই দেখবে, সবাই শুনবে যে তুই কি পড়লি, তুই কি বুঝতে পারলি বইটা দেখে। কারোর যদি ইন্টারেস্ট থাকে তো ওরাও পড়বে।
গল্প ছিল, গল্প থেকে।
So Rohit just want to mean that there is a book in Bengali available, and the author of that book is Mrinal Chakrabarti. So Rohit has to say something about that book. That is why in this moment Rohit is in front of you guys to speak about that book, or to speak about that particular story that Rohit has read it. So Rohit, now you can speak. বল ভাই।
না তুমি বলো।
আরে বল, আয় না। So Rohit feel hesitate to speak. So it's very common to feel hesitation is very common, but we must have to break this hesitation, because these are the barriers that we are facing. These are the barriers which constantly trying to stop us, and definitely we shouldn't stop in our life, and definitely we shouldn't we must make few barriers in front of us, but just to growing, because there's no limit of growing. It's not possible that anybody saying this, I know everything. So we know a lot, but we don't know everything. So that is why we should keep learning, and I listen one thing from somewhere, that what is teaching? Somebody says that what is teaching? That teaching is that somebody is speaking and others are sleeping. That is teaching. I listen from someone somewhere. So you know, my mom is calling. I don't know why. Koide. So I have to go there. So thank you. If till now, if you are watching me, yes, right, definitely I will go. So till this moment, if you are staying with this video, no matter whether you like it, whether you comment it, but if you really like this video, definitely you can not share. I'm not requesting you to share this video, but definitely you can comment, write something by your own. If you can teach something that you have in your mind, then you can. Comment is available for you below this video. So thank you everyone, and if you like these videos, then you can subscribe our channel and can wait for another videos, and keep grow, do great in your life, because you are not going to get this life again after this life. So this is the life where you have to do something great, and this is the life where you must have to face something worse. So this is all about this content, or this is all about this video. Thank you for watching. So Rohit, you say that bye bye. You say, please.
বাই বাই
You say
বাই বাই